Hello guys, Felix here again, and today it's time for the 30th day of 30 days stories challenge. So, in today's story, in the last story from this challenge, I would like to tell you something about 100 day of code challenge. So, 100 day of code challenge is the challenge where you have to write code through 100 days, at least 1 hour day per 1 hour per day. So if you want to, for example, build your portfolio, learn something new, or practice code, maybe it's a good challenge for you, because you can make some daily habit related to programming, and at the end of each day you have to tweet your progress. So you have to do something before you tweet your progress, yeah. And maybe it's probably that after a few days from this challenge, because I have to have a few free days without Instagram, without recording, without social media, I will try to do this challenge for myself, for checking myself, for preparing some nice code for my repository, etc., etc. So maybe, of course, you can find the link to the longer description of this challenge from authors, and that's it. Thank you for being with me through this 30 days. Thank you Krzysiek Jędrzyca and Adrian from Dev and for organizing this great initiative. It's really great initiative. I see on my Instagram that there are a lot of very interesting stories on many different topics, for example related to the programming, algorithms, working in team, etc., etc. So it's really worthy initiative, and thank you guys again, and thank you for others participants for taking part in this challenge. So for today, from my side, that's all. You can find the link for 100 day of code challenge in my bio, and we don't see each other tomorrow. Have a nice day, have a nice week, and goodbye. See you in the future. Bye.